Hey guys, today we're gonna take a look at a place that you can find all your AI sites in one place. And what's better, you can actually search for what kind of AI site you're looking for. And this is beautiful. So you have ChatGPT, GPT games, and all that. But let's say you want to make music, right? And in that case, you just go hit music and wait for it. And here we go. Music recommendation for emotional narratives, I'm not sure about that. Staccato, Splash, Tongtel, these are all AI music generators, music manipulators, music mixers, and all that. And here, for example, let's say pictures. AI that does picture stuff. AI profile picture, clean up pictures, photo AI, travel there. Look how beautiful that is. Let's say, for example, you want to find an AI for video. Hit this one, and this is transcription service, uWhisper, automated video. I put here, for example, on the side, a quick one, and I'm gonna sign in really quick, and here we go. I'm gonna generate, it's not the best, but I'm just giving you as an example. This was found on that side that I told you. I don't know, let me go with techno, what it does with a drum loop in techno, and let's see how that sounds. Here we go. As you see, that's a nice drum loop in techno, and if you make music, you understand that actually this one has value too. It's not the best thing you ever heard, but it has value. So let me go back in, and for example, you want to do hip-hop. You generate hip-hop, and it's really fast. You can change the beat speed and all that stuff. You can download it, and let me play this one on hip-hop. It's a nice base layer, I would say. It's not the best, but you can play with it. And you can create even premium and whatever that stands for to get longer beats and all that. And here, for example, just launched. You have right now Google Search Labs for testing Google. There's a new AI that it says just launched. When you get to the site, you click here and you are inside the website. Join the wait list, and looks like it's gonna be out soon, but that's cool that I can actually see it. Stable animation. Let's see what that is about. Oh, I have to click. Sorry about that. Okay, and we go to the website for whatever stable animation does. Text to animation tool for developers. Wow, that is actually cool. This is something else. Models, Deep Fluid IF, Stable Diffusion. Okay, since I'm just a little bit, Stable Diffusion should be good. Start generating the images of your dreams. So let me start it. Let me try it for free. I'm not gonna do any. Welcome to the new Dream Studio. Terms of service. Do we have a choice? Okay, I put Pagani Zonda crashing to the moon and taking the universe into a black hole vortex. Now, good luck generating this one, but I'll try. Let's see how far this AI can even go. Dream Studio by Stability.ai, or the site itself is dreamstudio.ai. Okay, it looks actually really cool. It recognized the Pagani Zonda, and I would say this is the closest to kind of what I was looking. The car, as you see, is on the moon. This is Earth being sucked to a black hole. This is actually very interesting, huh? Wow. So, and these are the new ones again. Fab AI, Music LM. Oh, generates music for inspiration and feedback. Palette Brain. This is really a beautiful and powerful site. So you can go there and check. And here on the right side, there's years since 2015 up to this year's, last year's and this year's months of AI sites that have been put up. And there's a GPT prompt tuner right here that you can tune your responses and let it help you to generate better prompts. So you can ask GPT better questions in order to help you get better answers. Now that is cool, in my opinion at least. And here you can go there looking for workers. You can subscribe, timeline, you can get here and check them in a timeline fashion. Or you can check the most saved, what people saved most. Auto GPT, which is called God Mode. UI Magic crafting unique sites with quality visuals and content. Venturous AI, business idea analysis and reporting. Now this looks very interesting and very, very helpful. Tutor AI, job hunt mode, job search platform with personalized career support, automated social media posts. A lot of people might find this very, very helpful. And as you see, Post Perfect social media post looks like it's an app for iOS or Android. I'm not gonna do any of that because we don't have time right now. But that's what I wanted to show you. This site here, there is an AIforthat.com, is the best site if you're looking for any kind of AI related websites. Instead of searching on Google and DuckDuckGo and all that, just go here. They're all right here. It's almost like a Google search, but for AI related applications and websites. And with that said, thank you for watching and please like and subscribe. A link will be below in the description. Bye!